Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video on the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you some tips that you can use to improve your mathematical handwriting. Now this video is a little bit different from some other ones, but I figured it would be really helpful since I'm like a math student and I work a lot on papers, so I figured it would be important to show my audience like how to improve, like some tips to improve their handwriting. And it'll definitely be really helpful for you because like your teachers will be happy for you. They won't mark you wrong on tests or homework, and overall it'll just be better for you, and it'll also like help with handwriting and other subjects. So before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this tutorial helpful, and consider sharing with your friends, your family, your peers. And let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to familiarize yourself with, or actually no, the first thing you want to do is get a good pencil. First, you want to get a good pencil that suits you, it suits your hand, you find it easy to use. For me personally, I like mechanical pencils, BIC 0.7 millimeters HB. These are my personal favorites for handwritten notes and stuff, so I use these all the time. But you can use regular pencils too, or other types of mechanical pencils. It really depends on your personal tastes. Now, the second thing you want to do is you want to familiarize yourself with letters, numbers, and symbols, right? So consider like looking on the internet, look at what these numbers look like, and then you can start copying them down on paper, like practicing. So for example, let's draw X, which is a common variable used in like algebra and other types and other fields of math. So typically the X is in italics and it's like squiggly, so this is the way I draw it, or I write it like that. So here we have, like, you can see I draw a squiggly like that, and then a straight line across. Now basically you wanna, it looks difficult, and it is, but if you start practicing the way you should start practicing like slowly, right? Instead of doing it like fast, which you can do after a while, you should start off slowly, and then over time you can pick up your pace as you familiarize it much better. And then now move on to numbers. So let's draw the number 2, for example. Again, draw it slowly, draw it in good proportions so that it looks it's legible and clear enough to read. Let's try that again with another number. So 4, 5. So you can see again, I keep a steady grip over the pencil, and I keep my fingers right on, like, basically here you can see I keep it just above the clear part of the pencil. I keep it like just on the bottom of the black head. So that allows me to keep a stable grip over the pen, and that again helps with handwriting. So and you can continue on, and again just keep doing it slowly, keep trying to perfect it, and eventually over time you can pick up the pace and you can start to write faster. Now let's try to write an equation out of this to compile it all. So let's draw a simple algebraic equation. X plus 7 equals -8. Again, I wrote it slowly. I made sure to keep the spacing right, steady grip with the pencil, and again, familiarize yourself with how these characters look, and then start practicing it slowly, and you'll get it over time. Let's draw a simple arithmetic operation. So 4 divided by 2. Again, very simple, do it very deliberately, very slowly, and you'll be able to perfect it.